Okay, now come to the step 4, type your letter. You can see, yes, step 4 is type your letter. In this step, you are going to add fields for the recipient's data. Earlier in the task 3, what we have done, we have maintained a recipient list. Now we are moving forward after that, and this we have see the, task 3, select recipients. After this, we have a step 4. This is type your letter. So again, I want to tell, in this we have to we are going to add fields for the recipient data so that mail merge knows exactly where to add the data. To add fields, basically in the mailing merge, we have to go through this. You can see this address book, address book block. This block is like a template that takes information from fields that commonly appear on envelopes first name and create an address block. Next is greeting line. The greeting line takes the name and last name field to create the salutation of your letter. Electronic postage. The electronic postage allows you to print postage of barcodes on your envelopes. You have to download a program from Microsoft Office website to be able to do this. Simple, you can see these things, and now I'm going to use the more items. It means the option I want to use is not here. So when I'm going to see more options, yes, you can see these are the address fields. I have to choose if I want to insert this first name. Because I have already written the letter over here. If you haven't written the document here, you can see from here. Just click the first name, insert. It will appear. You have to select the location also. You look, because I just want to make it clear for you. Yes, you can see this first name, insert. Look at this, how it appears. You have to just move the cursor over here where you want to write, and then you will go to the more options and insert it. Now in the next line, if I want to, you have to close it again. Yes, in the next line, if I want to add last name, I will again go to more of items, last name, and insert, right, like this. Okay, first name, last name. Now address line, it is time for address line. This is the way to write a letter basically here. So it is very simple. There is option match fields, because we know close is to close, insert into add. So what is the meaning of match fields? Click match fields to match your database fields with the predefined ones. If you have, obviously you have a database, or if you want to match these field name to them, then you have to use this. In this way you can use address blocks and greeting lines without having to change your database. So this is basically how to write a letter. Again, after this, after even this address line, you have to write something. You can add on it. Very simple. And after that, when you are done with it, you just have to go through the next step. That is, in this next step is preview your letters. Yes. Now it is a step 5, preview your letter. In this step you can preview the letters to make sure that the information from the recipients list appears correctly in your letter, right? Now you can see this, there are number of recipients. If you can see what we have maintained the recipient list in step 3, you can see 1 2 3 4. Yes, if you want to see the recipient, you can see this, that your name of the recipient would be mentioned over here. Look at this. Yes, this is my text letter, and you can see this, the person name of recipient is mentioning over here. You can see recipient 2, You can see over here, yes, Stella, number 3, Tom, number 4, this. Now I hope you understand how the recipient list would be maintained over here. Okay, edit recipient list. If you want to add it, you can choose this option, and if you exclude this recipient, again you can choose this. Simply exclude mean you have deleted that name and it is no more in your history. Okay, now if you want to edit again, you can make the check over here and say okay, right? In this way it is edited in step 6, because step 5 is preview to your letter. That what now in preview you say that this is the outlook of your letter, how it look like, how many recipients are these, what are the settings we can make for them. Now see the step 6, complete the merge. If you are already create the merge document, you have to go to the next step, please. Yes, now this is the step 6, complete the merge. If you are ready, create the merge document. It is the time to create your document as a merge document, right? You can see this. Look at this merge document. In the heading of merge, there are the two options: print and edit individual letters. You can see that is the merge document is that document that can give you the print for different recipient at the same time, and it will give you the individual editing of the letters, right? So you have to click the edit individual letters. Yes, now you can see merge to new document. You just have to see what settings you are going to make. Merged records mean all current record from this to this. So all mean all documents are going to merge. Current record mean what is only currently used, that allows you to merge only the recipient in the current window. Then form to, and that allows you to merge specific recipients, right? You just have to click OK from here. Yes. Now you can see this, your document will be will be merged now. Now this is actually this Word will create a new merge document for you, and you have to save your document anywhere where you want to. Just click its name, merge document. Yes, and we can save it anywhere. Let's suppose I'm going to save it on desktop. So these are the steps for the mail merge. Now it's very simple. We have used the Word document. It is now it's not a big deal for us. So it is time to see the next part 2 is basically print envelope. You can see we cannot send a letter without an envelope. It's time to basically wait a minute, I just gonna through last step. So we have done with the steps to use a mail merge. These are the steps: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. We have done with these all steps now, and now it's time to see the next topic,